Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I have an unboxing to do to share with you guys. We just came back from a short vacation in Cancun, Mexico. So it was just like a Labor Day weekend getaway with my loved ones. So I planned to visit Louis Vuitton when we got there, and I did that on our third day of vacation. So the Louis Vuitton store is located in Fashion Harbor in Cancun, Mexico. So it's actually like probably 2 miles from where we were staying at, and we had a lovely time. So we're now back in the United States, and so I'm here to share what I got from the store. So I had the Cancun Neverfull in my mind, but I was actually hoping for the mini pochette Cancun, just something small to remember our vacation there. But then I had a change of heart. But first, just a quick background story. I was also looking at I saw the pochette Matisse in the imprint, black imprint, and I have been lusting for that for a couple of years now. I used to have the pochette Matisse in the monogram, but then I had to exchange it for something. Actually, I wanted to get it repaired, but they didn't repair it, and they actually just offered me a credit for something different if I want, because you know how hard it is to get the pochette Matisse nowadays. But also I was kind of hesitating to get another monogram because of the glazing issues on the the sides, and how when you open and close the sides of the pochette Matisse, glazing gets damaged over time. So I'm kind of on the fence of getting another pochette Matisse. But the pochette Matisse in the imprint I have been wanting for a long time. But then, so I was looking at the pochette Matisse and also the Neverfull with the Cancun design. So luckily they still have it. So I went back and forth which one I wanted to get, but eventually at first I went for the Neverfull. So when it's time for us to pay, I didn't know that we actually can get like a money back from the tax that that you're paying for it. So at that time they require my passport, which I left in the hotel safe. Of course I didn't bring it with me because I didn't know. So we ended up just putting the Neverfull on hold, and then decided to return. So we went back to the hotel, and then got my passport, and then I went back to the store, and lo and behold, as soon as I was waiting for the sales associate who helped me at first to help me again so I could get the bag that I wanted. But then on the display this is what I saw, and that's the bag that I purchased actually. So I changed my mind and ended up getting this bag instead. So without further ado, I actually bought 2. So one is a wallet. So this is the bag, and this is the wallet. So first let me show you the wallet that I bought for my significant other. So he actually chose this, and I'm just going to show you what I got for him. And this is the card holder with the different color inside. This is the epi leather, and I don't know what you call this style. I know this is a bifold you know, card holder, but this type of color, I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. So he really liked this, and this is made in France. So it actually has a lot of pockets, so 3 card holders here, and then there's a slip pocket here, slip pocket here. You can put stuff here in the front and right here as well, and also here. So it has a lot of holders. So that's that. And for the main one is this one. So it came in this box. So she actually, there's another girl who helped me with this because the original sales associate was busy with another customer, so she actually helped me with this one. And I told her when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I'd like to get this instead. And actually this is the display, and this is the only one in the store, and she said that they always get sold whenever they just got like 3 of this that same week, and the 2 were sold right away, and so this was left. So I checked everything looks good. I didn't see any major or any like loose stitch or, you know, anything damaged. It doesn't look used at all, or it looks brand new pretty much, even though it's on the display. So here it is, and here's the receipt. Actually, this receipt I had to reprint at home because when I went to get my credit back, or I went to the concierge place to get my you know, paperwork for the money back, I don't think the lady gave it back to me, my original receipt. I didn't get it back. So anyway, the receipt that came with my original purchase was just printed in a regular paper now. I don't know what's going on with Louis Vuitton. Are they saving money now? Because pretty much the receipt that I've been or I've actually seen in some YouTuber unbox, they're actually printed in like a regular printer paper. So that's what happened to me also. It was like in a white paper. But you know, I always ask for a copy of the receipt through my email as well. You know, I also have records just in case there's something wrong with the bag, then I'm able to, or if I lose the original receipt, just like what happened to this bag, I didn't get it back from the girl, from the concierge. Anyway, I have reprinted it, and actually the email that you get from the or the receipt that you get from the email actually, you know, came like, it's like colored. So I just printed it from our printer, and it's like, you know, it looks like this. Just want to make sure I'm covering my name and my address here. So this is what it looks like. So before I show you what it is, what my bag is, here you go. And actually this bag is not in my, well, I kind of, you know, see this in other people in the YouTuber, and it looks cute, but it wasn't really on my radar. I was thinking of the one like a size up of this one, but then when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute, I think I want it. So this is what I got. This is the cute Palm Spring mini, and it is actually made in Spain. I like a bag where you can use it many ways. Like you can do a shoulder bag or a crossbody or a backpack. So this is what I like about it, and it's very compact. And I actually use less, you know, bigger bags nowadays. The only big bags I have is the Neverfull, and most of my bags are kind of small. So this is what I got. Let me just remove this is just my stuff that I put it in there because I just want to make sure I keep it like stuff. And here's the strap, and this came, this is the care booklet. It came with two of that. And so some people use this pretty much as a crossbody, but I think I'm gonna use it for both because I like to be hands-free most of the time. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this weekend there's gonna be a lobster festival here in Long Beach, California, and so that's what I'm gonna be using this for. Of course, when you're eating, you don't want to touch your bag with whatever food you're eating, so that's why this is a good thing for the park or when you go out. So this is what I'm gonna use it for Saturday. I'm gonna use it like a backpack. So that's that. So I noticed, of course, as what other YouTubers say about this bag, is that the opening is kind of hard to kind of close and open because of the zipper. So I guess that's one of the cons that you can think about this. As you can see, it's kind of hard to open. And also when you try to open it, the one of the con is like constant bending of this canvas here, and then eventually it might end up cracking, which I don't know. I'm not sure about that, but as you can see, there's some creasing here. And some people complain that when you buy it, like some of them are uneven when it was stitched, like here, which I don't mind. I'm not that picky. As long as there's no tears or holes or loose stitch, I mean, I don't really care. I'm not that anal about it. And as long as the bag is made in Spain or France or Italy, because I don't really like made in USA. So I'm happy about this purchase, and I'm so excited that I got it. And there is no regret whatsoever that I didn't get the Cancun Neverfull, because I already have 2 other Neverfulls. So that's it, and I hope you guys like it. See you guys next time. Please like or comment or subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and also if you want to see my collection videos. Thank you. Bye.